What up, YouTubers? Just showing y'all's that I just installed the Dominator exhaust slip-on. So I had it for about a month, a little over a month. So pretty easy to install. Piping is nice, hardware is beautiful. Seems to be a very good exhaust. Mufflers. It also has silencers. So I just put the silencer screw to just have it in there. And I really like the sound. It's very... Oh, hi Moto. That's my dog. He's just chilling. Brackets are nice. And oh, this is the right side. Yeah, looks good, man. Just washed the bike. It's very nice. What up, old goat? Slip on. Took me like half an hour to put on. Less, maybe. It's pretty nice. Let's see, where did I put the key at? Hold on. Oh, you know what? It's too loud. I got my neighbors, they might complain, but well, if you guys want to hear it, just comment. I'll start it up for you, make a video. But if you ask me, man, it sounds good. It's loud, not too loud, but it's just deep. It's a deep growling noise. Beautiful. Oh, where's the silencers? These are the silencers. I just got them on the side. Let me put them on. I had them on for like one of the rides. It's too soft for me. Could put it on for when I do my safety. I don't know if the decibels will be too loud, but I think it should pass. I had Dan models on and that passed. Yeah. Dominator. I think they're from Poland. Brought them on eBay. Came in pretty quick, less than 2 weeks. I was fast about it. There it is.